Let there be light with the Oblivion Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. One of the best things about a round mirror is that it immediately adds dimension to a room. Also, the smooth lines help to balance the angular lines of other furniture pieces and fixtures, making round mirrors good choices for bedrooms and bathrooms alike. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. The Oblivion Mirror features 12-volt LED lights and a transformer, casting a cool white glow from behind when activated by a touch-sense switch, discreetly located at the bottom of the mirror. To ensure optimal performance and safety, the Oblivion Mirror comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Oblivion Mirror carries the Live Green logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. For diffuse lighting that will make for great decoration in any area, look no further than the Oblivion Mirror.